Olives, there's none of us actually like olives, so there's jars and jars of olives that she's got. So with grapefruit, to tell if they're ripe, you basically lift it up and then sort of twist like that, and then give it a yank, and if it comes off, then it's ripe.
Oh, okay. So it doesn't matter if it's like, how do you say?
The brown?
Yes.
That's just, it's a little bit of black mold, so most citrus trees have that, and it doesn't really affect the fruit at all, it just eats the skin a little bit, but like, it comes off.
Oh, okay.
Cool. Yeah, there we go.
Yay!
I'm pretty much just gonna...
Five finger fruit.
Yeah, so that's the fruit that all the birds like to eat.
Are we allowed to eat this?
I don't think it's good for humans. Okay, so this is an endangered native species. It is part of the Backyard Mistletoe project. So this is native to New Zealand green mistletoe, or pirita. Pirita, sorry.
Pirita, okay.
Pirita. Which is the Maori name for it. And these are the fruit of the mistletoe that we're going to be planting. So that's the fruit. And you can see if I squeeze it out, that's the seed, and it's covered in sticky stuff. So that's how the seed sticks to the branches.
Right.
And then it sort of sends its roots under the branch of its host tree and just gets the water. And so we're putting it in the fork of the branches. So if you can see, I'm just sort of sticking it on. Stays on that little fork there. It'll stick there until it sends out its roots.
Right. That's an interesting way of planting it, eh?
Yeah, I've never actually planted anything else like this.
Yeah? This one?
Yep, that one's good.
Can I plant it there?
Yeah, definitely. Just wherever there's a fork.
Can you explain to me about the good planting weather? What do you mean by a good planting weather?
Good planting weather is basically not too hot. So a light drizzle is actually perfect planting weather, because that means that the trees won't dry out.
So New Zealand spinach over there?
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is all edible, all these leaves.
Wow. Okay, I won't eat it right now because I touched a mushroom.
You touched a potentially poisonous plant. Oh. Tomatoes look a bit dead. It's really, really late for tomatoes. I don't know why these are still fruiting, but they are.
Because it's so warm, right?
Open your mouth.